Hello everyone. First what we will do is in today's session we will look what is Ultimaker Cura and how to use Ultimaker Cura. Firstly we have to download Ultimaker Cura from Chrome. It's a free software, so you can download it from here. Okay. So after downloading Ultimaker Cura, let's open here. A similar interface will come on your screen. It will take time because it is a heavy software. It consists more than, you can consider, more than hundreds of machines in this machine interface in this. So it takes time. Now after opening, such interface will come. Okay, so in your case there will be different interface because you had opened for first time, so you need to do some settings in Ultimaker Cura. What settings you need to do is, first, if for an example, one example, minus enters. What I'll do is I'll remove this first so I can explain you this printer better. Okay, so we need to add our printer which is in lab. Okay, so then only we will get our G code. Okay, what is G code means, I'll explain you what is G code. In Fusion 360, when we in Fusion 360, consider Fusion 360 as Microsoft Word. So if we draw something in Fusion 360 and we have F3D file, means Fusion file, so we it is an editable file. Okay, so that file can be editable, means if you provide a Fusion 360 file to someone, he can edit your design. But in Fusion 360 there is one, uh, uh, when we export we can also convert that file into .stl file. Consider the .stl file as a PDF file. Okay, so it is a non-editable file. So so when you it's the second step of 3D printing, to converting into STL. After converting into STL, we put this STL file in this Ultimaker Cura. So Ultimaker Cura will convert that STL file to .g code file. Okay, so because G code file is basically the coordinates of the positions in the machine, because machine don't know what you have to print. Machine, like for an example, the machine will get the command like x axis, y axis, and z axis. So at x axis 25 degree, 25 coordinates. So the machine will move accordingly, and you will get your 3D print. Okay, so this is called G code file. So how we will convert STL, means in Fusion we will get STL file, and in STL to G code I'll explain you in detail how we will get STL to G code in this lecture. Firstly, when you will download this and open newly, so you don't have the printer in this, so you have to do some settings. The settings are, first, select here, click on add printer, you will get this option. Okay, so you have to select non Ultimaker printer, means there is, okay, Ultimaker Cura is owned by the company Ultimaker, who also sells some printers of their brands. So they have created Ultimaker printers also. So we don't have Ultimaker company printers, non Ultimaker company printers. So just select add non-network printers. Network printers are the printers where we can connect them wirelessly, but non-network printers are the printers which are connected through pen drive, means we provide the G code from pen drive, SD card, or external sources. So in this, go to Creality 3D. In C, go to Creality 3D. In Creality 3D, you need to go on Ender 3v2. this once again, ender 3 slash ender 3v2, and click on add. So we get this printer now. See here, enter 3v2. Just this setting you have to do in your Ultimaker Cura. Okay. Second step. Now the second thing is that you have to uh, convert STL file to G code file. What I'll do is I'll take a small STL file. STL. Okay. Wait. Let's do one thing. Let's download a STL file from Thingiverse. So, okay, Thingiverse is a platform where you can download an STL file and 3D print whatever you want. I search and let's take an elephant. Okay, so let's take this elephant. Okay, I have to print this elephant. Okay, so I'll download this file, open this, extract this. Okay, so I'll take this file in Cura. Okay, sometimes the files are too big. See, this file is too big. I'll zoom out. This file is too big, so I'll make it small. Okay, 0, 0. Okay, now what I'll do is it is still too big. I'll do it 1. Let's do it 4. Okay, this is better. So this is an STL file, .stl file. You can see here also. Okay, it's .stl file. It's 3D object, so .stl file. If we'll click right click and go in properties, you can see here it's an STL file. Okay, next thing. Okay, so this is an STL file, and we have to do some changes in this. So in Ultimaker Cura is a slicing software. In 3D printing there are many things taken care of. For an example, how harder the object is, how how stronger the object is, how weaker the object is the object needed support or not. These three things should be taken care of. So firstly, how harder the object is. So let's take first I'll take the infill as 20, and see, this infill is 20 and it will take 3 hours and consist 70 grams of filament. Okay, so let's see how the object is stronger or not. So see, the object is hollow from inside, right? Object is hollow from inside. Okay, let's consider this as 40. Let's consider this as 80. and line count 5. You can see lines are increased now. See this. Lines are increased. If I increase the line to 9, because the object is hollow, so density will not increase, but we can increase the body strength. So if I consider 9 line count, it will take 19 grams and the line count is increased. Okay, I want to take a object that is not hollow from inside, so you will understand better. Let's search for some other object. Let's consider this. Okay, let's check it's hollow or not. The previous object was hollow. Okay, no, it is not hollow. Right. It's our, we can experiment on this. Okay, firstly, let's do one thing is rotate this object and print in a standing. Okay, so now what we will do is let's take infill S40. Let's don't take 40, let's take 20. Okay, and the wall count is 3. Okay, okay, it take 10 grams. And so if we go to prepare and see this, see, you can see the grid, you can see the lines. So it is hollow, it has lines, but it is hollow from inside. See, it is hollow from inside little bit. Okay, see this. But if we increase this wall count to 5 and infill to 60, when infill 60, okay, and slice again. See this. We need 20 grams. First we need 10 grams. Now we need 20 grams, and see the lines in grid. It becomes strong and the wall count increases to 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wall count is 5, means the object is become more harder, and inside we got more infill. So this is this things. And after, now we have to print in this format. So if we save disks, we will get the G code in our folder. So that's it. This is Ultimaker Cura. These are some functionalities you should be learning in detail. Okay, thank you.